Hello, it's Will. It's great to be back, and I wanted to do a video showing how to replace an IBC drain valve. Over the years, I sold a surprising number of replacement valves. I also got a lot of returns with the complaint that it didn't fit. It became apparent to me that there's a lack of understanding from many owners about how to replace a valve. And I was hoping over the years that YouTube would show a definitive version of how to do a replacement valve, because it's somewhat complicated, not much, but a little. And to my disappointment, they never did. The only thing I saw were some silent ones where the Chinese manufacturer would shyly do it, soundless, without any instruction. I want to do it a little better than that. So in this video, we're going to replace a defective valve on a new tote that I've acquired, and we're going to replace it with a new one. Step one is we're going to remove the crossbar on top. It's essential in order to get the recessed valve access. You have to take the bottle out of the cage, and this is what I'm going to do quickly, and then we'll show you the next step. Follow me through this simple procedure. After you remove the bar, pull the bottle out, tip it up, and now you can see I've got a kind of a inferior leaking butterfly valve, and I'm going to replace it with a new one. There is a spanner wrench that you could use and keep the bottle in the cage. However, the wrench is about $100, and unless you're doing production line work, I can't understand the expense. So it would be much smarter to simply pull the bottle out of the cage and take a pair of channel locks, a pipe wrench, something that can grasp that 3-inch diameter base, and pull it off. So basically, I am going to remove this valve, and replace it with a similar valve. This is a 75 millimeter ball valve as opposed to this rather flimsy plastic valve. It's got that iron nut on the bottom. Before I go there, let me talk about this. There are 4 possible thread combinations for this. There is the 60 millimeter, the 75 millimeter, the 80 millimeter, and the 100 millimeter. The most common one, in my experience, has been 60. This one happens to be 75. It's hyper important to know that before you order your replacement valve. Don't guess, pull the bottle, expose the threads, measure it, and then place your order. Because once you order the correct valve, it is an easy thread on, done. And then you simply put it back in the cage and you're good to go. I hope this helps. And if there's any questions, please feel free to relay them to will@ibcstuff.com, and I'd be happy to help. Thank you very much.